So you're thinking about selling your home this summer, but you're not sure what to expect. Maybe you've heard it's still a good time, or perhaps you're wondering why some homes are sitting while others sell fast. Well, the truth is, the market is shifting. Inventory is up, buyers have more options, and they're taking their time. If you want to sell quickly and avoid price cuts, there are a few things you need to do before you list. Let me walk you through 3 simple but essential steps to help you stay ahead of the market this summer. Fix the little things before you list. First things first, get ahead of buyer objections. Most buyers right now are tight on cash because of higher interest rates. That means they don't want to take on repairs right after closing. So before you list, look through your home and look for anything a buyer might flag. Loose doorknobs, repaint scuff walls, leaky faucet in the bathroom, fix it now. These may seem like minor issues, but together they shape how your home feels and whether a buyer sees it as a move-in ready or a project. If those repairs are needed during the inspection, they could cost you more later or even kill a deal. Create a space buyers can picture themselves in. Next up is staging. And no, this doesn't mean hiring a designer or buying all new furniture. It means creating a clean, neutral space that helps buyers imagine living there. Start by decluttering, clear off countertops, remove extra furniture, and box up anything personal, like family photos or bold artwork. You want the space to feel open and calm. Add simple touches like fresh towels in the bathroom, a bowl of lemons in the kitchen. This helps buyers focus on your home's best features instead of your personal style. And when they can see themselves living there, that's when offers start coming in. Make a plan for showings. Here's something many sellers overlook. How your home feels during showings matters. If you have young kids or pets, keep the house clean and distraction-free can be tricky. That's why it helps to plan ahead. Talk to your agent about the best times to show your home and set a schedule that works. If you can step out during showings and take pets with you, buyers will feel more comfortable and spend more time exploring the home. It takes a little effort, but goes a long way towards creating the right impression. Selling a home in the summer of 2025 is absolutely doable, but it takes the right prep and a smart plan. Fix what needs fixing, stage your space to show it off, and make it easy for buyers to visit. If you want help figuring out where to start or what repairs to focus on, I'm happy to walk through it with you. Just reach out and let's put together a plan that helps your home sell quickly and for the best possible price.